If you're visiting Delhi, India, or have a connecting flight from there, make sure to enjoy your stay at Encalm Lounge. It's in the security hold area of Airside International Departures, Terminal 3, next to the Encalm Spa on Mezzanine Level. Customers are waiting for their chance to enter. The maximum stay is 2 hours and children under 2 years old are admitted for free. Now, we're entering the lounge. Flyers can enjoy uninterrupted Wi-Fi and gourmet and international cuisines at the lounge. Experience the beauty of this lounge. The ambience speaks for itself. It expanded over a large space capable of accommodating over 200 people. The space is a top-notch facility with high-end dining and wellness and spa amenities. Seating arrangements for the family are private. I like their lighting arrangement, it's perfect. The lounge is open 24/7 and offers continuous access to flight information. Despite being heavily crowded, there is still plenty of space to accommodate more. The seating area is quite pleasant, clean, and organized. Before your flight, take advantage of the comfortable seating and enjoy opportunities to relax, watch TV, read newspapers, magazines, and use high-speed Wi-Fi. It also has a separate area for you to sit and enjoy with your family in privacy. The refrigerators are stocked with cold soft drinks and water. Restrooms here are clean and hygienic. Flight status updates displayed on large TV screens. Brace yourself for the food stations. At the first station, you can order any type of egg recipes you need. At the second station, you'll find a delicious selection of North and South Indian dishes. At the third station, you'll find the dosa. The fourth station is the drink station located on the corner. At number 5, we have the tea station. The salad station is the 6th station. The 7th station is the light breakfast station, where you can find soup, cupcakes, lapsa, cornflakes, bread slices, and more. Experience the deliciousness of freshly made dosas at the dosa station. The dosa was incredibly delicious, especially the masala dosa. They come with a side of coconut sauce and spice sauce. Sambar is a South Indian gravy served with idli, made from rice. Yummy. Here are Punjabi chole kulche. It's spicy and incredibly delicious. It's another delicious South Indian dish called upma. Boiled eggs. Sausages. Salads, fruits, and more here. Drink section. Try the special Indian masala tea here. A single cup is never enough. You'll always crave more. It's time to depart from the lounge now. In the future, I'll upload more lounge videos. It would be great if you could subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.